Ahmed, can you speak?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, Allah kashkara.
What is
How are
what
you?
is your question? Like, I'm seeing your question. You have been messaging me for quite some time. I haven't been able to check the messages. I'm just going to
Yeah, no,
open
no,
your messages right now as I'm talking to you because
yeah,
uh,
that's okay.
I've been very busy with so many things going on. Okay,
Yeah, no
so
worries, sir.
Ed,
I understand.
you have completed your things. You have completed
Yeah,
MCQs and everything, right?
yeah,
Mashallah.
I've got my topic. I forgot about this. Forgot about the messages I sent you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
That's covered. That's been covered. I'm just gonna ask you about my CV because I've done my internship and resume. The MCQs
Yes.
assessments. I've done them. And so, like, I was contacting your team about it, because I want my CV. If you could like make me one.
Yes.
I still made one on my own, but by following
Send me the
some
one that you
steps.
have created yourself. Send me the one that you've created yourself. The new
Okay.
resume service that we're doing right now, it
Yeah.
depends on the labs that you are performing, right?
Okay.
So the labs, the more labs you do, those labs are then translated into your roles and responsibilities within your resume. As
Right.
for the ATS scoring, the ATS scoring is the scoring methodology that recruiters use to assess your resume automatically through artificial intelligence to see if it covers all the key tasks and objectives as per this job role that they have advertised, right?
Okay.
So
Right.
we will run those things for you. So send me. I'm going to review your tasks now. So if you message me now, then I will be able to respond back because I'm going to connect you with one of the guys of Al Razzaq team. He's going to give you some of the labs, start performing the labs, but we will hand you over your resume anyway so that you can start applying for jobs in London, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. There are lots of apprenticeship jobs in London. There's a lot of like DevOps jobs in London and SysOps jobs, right? So
Right.
inshallah, you should be able to apply for them. What is your
Okay.
status? You're a resident in the UK, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so
I'm
that's not,
settled.
yeah. So
Yeah.
you're already a citizen. So that's not going to be a problem, inshallah, for you.
Inshallah.
Uh, Sister Shanze, you're the one who did your O level, right? From UK.
Yeah. I've done my GCSEs.
GCSEs, right?
Yes.
So Shanze did the same thing. So she's now going for her master's programs, right?
Yeah. She's going to Imperial. Is
in
she?
in February, right? So it
Yeah.
depends like, if she want to go for Imperial or UCL. She's making that decision. But what I'm going to tell you is that, inshallah, that but she has the money. I asked her like, why do you want to go there? She said like, I've been gathering money for quite some time. I want to spend that money, right?
Yeah.
But that's her choice. But I'm going to recommend to you go and work in the industry, pass some of the exams.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Like, I
Uh,
want to
you did
secure
level
my
five.
level
You did
five.
level
Yeah,
five. Right now
yeah, I
you're
want
doing.
to finish. Yes, that's what I'm doing.
So level five means like that's like RQF level
One,
five, like
yeah, that's
HND.
1 year from bachelor.
Yes. So
Yeah,
if you really want to do the degree, apply for the degree. We can assist you in the application process in the lower end universities. Don't go for the top.
right.
Go for the lower ones because you
No,
just
so
need the paper, right?
yeah, my plan is like to secure
Go
my
and
level
work in the
five.
industry for now. Go and work in the
Yeah,
industry.
yeah, exactly.
So there's no need for the degree. Go and work work in the industry and pass some of the exams I'm going to tell you to pass.
Inshallah.
If you do that, inshallah, the starting job you can land, inshallah, after completing all of these things is going to be around 35 to 40,000 pounds per annum. Is that a good salary?
Okay. Yeah, but for
Will you take?
starting, that's great. Yeah,
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Okay. What is the salary right now?
zero. I'm sitting at home. I'm
Uh,
sitting at home.
this is good enough for you, inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay. I'm really glad to talk to you after a long time because I've
Yeah,
been
it's been a long time.
that's good, mashallah. So you are another student from UK. There are many
Yeah,
students from UK coming in, mashallah. So I'm really glad. But apply for the lower end universities. RQF level 5 from EduQual will be accepted in lower end universities. We are already
inshallah.
seeing, right? So we are
Yeah.
already seeing that. Don't apply in the top end, right?
Okay, got it.
Depending on like what you will score. What's your topic?
My topic is DevSecOps and wait, give me a second. The DevSecOps pipelines. and integrating security into automated CI/CD workflows.
If you pay attention to the topic, you can easily pass any interview in UK right now in DevSecOps.
Okay.
So pay attention to the topic, okay? If I go to indeed.co.uk, right? And let me see if I can do that. Okay. And just type in DevSecOps, right? This is in London, right? Global DevSecOps lead, that's not something you can apply. DevSecOps UK London, hybrid work in London, application security engineer, you can apply for that. DevSecOps engineer. I'm going to make sure like I give you enough DevSecOps tasks to pass that. DevSecOps engineer. So these are the kind of positions you can apply for. You are also multilingual as well, right?
Yeah.
So you know French.
Yes.
This is
By the way, how's your French? Have you
not
been? Yeah.
that good.
He's still learning.
No, so 𝐒𝐿𝐴 so it's
Yeah,
like,
comes.
so my Arabic is getting better, but my son has he goes to school over here, and he has to go through the French a lot. I started teaching him French, but he then left me in the dust.
All right.
So I don't have
Yeah,
the
French
time,
is a complicated
but
language.
that is something that I'm going to do. But that is going to help you significantly in getting positions in United Nations and representing UK, right?
Right.
And also getting positions for multilingual companies based in France and UK. I'm going to highlight that, right?
Inshallah.
So your French is at local, like at the highest level, C2, C4. What do they call it, right? So that's the highest
Yeah,
level.
I'm basically native. Like lived like 12 years there. So
Oh, so you're a native, right?
yeah, I'm native.
Native, inshallah. So that's great. Your English is also like natives, and your French is also like native. That's
Alhamdulillah.
gonna help you, alhamdulillah, very well, inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
So send me what you have created, the resume. I'm going to connect you with the guys, and we will provide you the resume, inshallah. This is not something we
Okay.
do. You're a special case.
All right.
Because
Thank you very much.
everyone needs to follow the process, go through it, go to the labs, do the labs, and etc. etc. Then they're handed over the resume. Yours is something separate. Say my salam to your father as well, inshallah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Jazakallah.